Warning sign number 1. Persistent lower back or side pain that is not quite like muscle pain. Most people dismiss this as posture, age, or a bad mattress, and often it is. But the kidneys sit in your lower back on either side of your spine. A dull, persistent ache in that region, particularly if it is one-sided, deserves attention. It is not always kidney-related, but after 60, it should never be automatically dismissed. Warning sign number 2. Swelling in the ankles, feet, or hands that appears without obvious reason. When kidneys begin to struggle, they retain sodium, and sodium retains fluid. That fluid accumulates in the lowest points of the body first. Mild ankle swelling can have many causes, but if it is happening regularly and you cannot explain it with long periods of standing or heat, your kidneys deserve to be part of that conversation with your doctor.